Do you want to change the gimbal startup direction on your DJI Osmo Pocket 1, 2, or 3? By adjusting this setting will help you set your gimbal start exactly in the direction you prefer. In this video, I'll show you how to change the gimbal startup direction on your DJI Osmo Pocket. So let's get started. First, turn on your camera, then swipe down to bring the menu options. Next, tap on the gear icon. Here you'll see the option called Gimbal Startup Directions. Now tap on it. Here you'll get 3 options, like forward, backward, or selfie mode, and the last one is Last Settings. Forward means camera points straight ahead when powered on, and backward means selfie facing, that camera points towards you. And Last Settings means gimbal returns to the last angle before power off. So select one of them that you prefer. And that's it. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, then don't forget to hit that like button. And if you have any kind of questions, then ask me in the comment section below. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, stay tuned and take care.